before we get into the video, let's get into the build. I'd like to emphasize stock block, stock trans, stock unported intake manifold, stock throttle body, ESS G3x, 100mm pulley, 6 rib, fore fill system, E85 1000cc injectors. We did do oil pump gears, crank sprocket, upgraded crank bolt, headers, full exhaust, drag pack, Pobby Stars plastic dipped in the front, Mickey Thompson's VMS in the rear, 315s actually, not 305s, I know. And then some BMR goodies. We do have the BMR Bread and Butter 2 kit in the rear. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Pretty simple build. Like I said, I can't emphasize enough. Stock block, stock trans, over 1,800 plus hits, stock intake, unported manifold. Like, there's a lot of room to be gained on this Mustang still, but we gotta keep it a basic, simple. So let's get into the video. So hopefully you guys enjoy that video. Quick rundown. I'm going to try to talk as fast as I can. GTR, built engine, built trans, CCL 1000 package. I was very, very scared. I've never raced a GTR of that level before. I've definitely raced a lot of full bolt on GTRs. Full bolt on GTR stock turbos, they're just junk. Too slow. We're racing those when we're NA, honestly. Really done up car. I think pretty solid built car. Hey, those are the results. I think he was highly disappointed. I was kind of happy how well I did, being stock engine, stock trans. He's built engine and whatnot. If you guys know, the GTR is an expensive build. GTRs are great, don't get me wrong, but it's a very expensive build. If anyone's had a GTR that has done engine, trans, diff stuff, it's expensive. So great race. Thank you for lining up. That was solid, dude. The 1, 2, 3s was nasty. But moving on, the Supra, that was a good race. He's got built trans, Zona 9569S, a decent sized turbo. That's the same turbos that they run on the Rs3 IMS 1000s. Basically, IMS 1000 turbo on a Supra. So pretty decent sized turbo, proven turbo. It gets down. The Supra's very lightweight. I'm not making up any excuses there. It's a really good race. So that's crazy to see. It's finally get some fast Supras up here in Minnesota. So I'm really, really happy. I talked enough crap that someone's willing to build one, The Rs3 that was there, Drew, me and Drew have been racing for many, many years, back in the NA days, Vortec days, now powercruise days. Hey, ESS G3x, proven. That's good racing, honestly. I can always guarantee we're going to have some great races out there between me and him, man. Thank you so much for lining it up. Counting 1, 2, 3s, man. Those are nasty runs. We probably raced 30, 40 times by now over many, many years. So I can always count on him to have great runs. What else? The Supra. Oh my goodness. The Supra. Really good race. Hey, the Borg 372 or something. Decent size turbo for the Supra. The Supras can put it down pretty good. Sounds nasty. He had rolling angle oof. Telling you guys, that was nasty. One of my most sought after races that I just want to get on film was a 5-0 versus Mk4 Supra, because you guys already know those Mk4 Supras are undefeated on social media, and we've proven the 5 slow can take them down with a Century blower. We're not even twin turbo, not even turbo, which is the most hilarious thing. And I gotta say, this platform works really well. First year I saw him out at powercruise. He didn't want to line up. I was very destroyed, very hurt. Really sad I didn't get to line up against Mk4 Supra. Now we finally got him on film. So we got the Mk4 Supra in the library finally. And then lastly, fully done up C7Z. Hey, all the C7Z boys can get it. I don't care if you're on 2650, you can get it too. Pretty good race. All these cars are seriously like my dream cars. I don't think you guys understand. Seriously, like my dream cars. Corvettes all day long. I'm a big LS guy. I talked a lot of crap about Mustangs, and then I got into the Mustang platform. Kind of fell in love. And I know you LS LT boys will hate Mustangs. You hate them all day long, but trust me. Stock engine, stock trans, a little bit of boost, 15 pounds, over 900 some wheel. You are having fun all day long for under $10,000. Seriously. Yeah, so moving on forward, those are some really good races. Moving into the 2024 season, I really want to see some fast Civics, well done up Civics. Stop saying your 600 wheel front wheel drive Civic is going to blow this 1,000 horsepower Mustang out of the waters. You're simply not. And I've seen it many times out there. It's a non-prep service. You are just going to spin like crazy into fourth gear and you're going to get gapped. Seriously. So I want to see an all-wheel drive Civic out there. Seriously. I'm just trying to help you guys out. It's got to be all-wheel drive. Seriously. C6Zs can get it all day long. I really want to see a fast NA C6Z, you guys. I'm just saying, they keep talking about how their NA C6Z is going to gap 5.0 all day long, and I haven't seen it. We raced a heads cam, fully done up, basically. C6Z in, wait, one? I don't know. C7Zs can get it. Z01s can get it. I'm tired of racing Z01s, GT500s. Honestly, like, I'm at that point where I want to see new stuff. I don't care that you got another GT500. Like, I just want to see new stuff, cool stuff. If it's a twin turbo GT500, like, that'd be sick to see. There's a C8 out there that was pro charged. I really want to get him on film and do like a overall build like video, but like, I don't know, it just never worked out because he wasn't VIP. And VIPs always get, first entrance on, so it's hard to line it up, find them on the track. And what else? Some Porsches. I think we have a good Porsche lineup coming up. He's going to be like a full ES 1100 or something. So that'd be a really good race, I think. Z01s can get it. I think I talked enough crap about Z01s, and we do have a couple pretty built heads cam 2650, well over 1,000 wheel 10-speed Mustangs coming after, or not Mustangs, Camaros coming after me. So we'll see how well they can get down. Like I said, there's a 30-40 roll out there, so we'll see how well they get done. Okay, that's enough talking. Really good races. My top 5 for 2023 season with the ESS G3x. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys out there in 2024 season. Peace out.